why your dream salon is actually burning you out and how you can fix it in 2026. So you're a salon owner or a stylist who feels like you're a firefighter in your own business. You're constantly putting out those fires. You're chasing the staff and you're feeling like your passion is just draining away. Most people will tell you, just go hustle harder or go and get more clients. But I'm here to tell you that hustle is just a nervous system response, not a business strategy. Today I'm going to show you why your dream salon is actually burning you out and how to start architecting your way out of the chaos. So 4 years ago, I was successful on paper. I was working 4 12-hour days, fully booked a year in advance, but I was a ghost in my own life. I was making great money, but I hadn't had a conversation with my kids in days. My nervous system, it was in constant state of high alert, just from being overworked. And I just realized success without regulation is just a faster way to burn out. And I wasn't failing at business. I was just building on a dysregulated foundation that felt like everything was about to collapse with my nervous system. And the fix isn't more hours or more clients. It's a system that was built from real life experience, real implementation, real struggles. We call it the passive profit engine. I will leave the link below to transform your nervous system from reactive to regulated. To stop the burnout, you need to shift from being the engine that does everything in your business, that is reliant on you to do everything to operate, to being the architect. And this means learning to lead from peace and not pressure, building a team that doesn't need you to micromanage, or trading your team for a life that you can systemize to have 4, 6, or 8 weeks off consistently with weekly income. Or trade your apron for the blueprint. Most stylists aren't aware that they are even in a state of reactiveness until the signs are clear. And this can look like pacing the salon, talking faster than normal, 20 tabs open at once with no idea which one to fix first, being annoyed at clients, staff, or family, and just the urgency to fix everything right away. Disappointment for no reason, like snapping at co-workers or a client complaint, and just unbothered energy towards your clients. And those deep breaths of exhaustion while doing your weekly paperwork, this is diminishing your love for your passion. And you wake up every morning with a heaviness in your chest, like you don't even want to get out of bed in the morning to go to work. You're constantly on edge and everyone around you is walking on eggshells. In simple terms, you're overworked. You're overloaded with work, or there is not enough work to keep your business afloat, meaning not enough income to support your business that you put your hard blood, sweat, and tears towards. The thing is, no one sees what you do behind closed doors. The admin work, the marketing, the staying late to run figures, the not paying yourself to pay for overheads. This is a very lonely, isolated journey. And if you aren't careful, things can turn very quickly, especially if you are reactive. I turned my business around within 6 months, and I'm pretty confident that you can too. So if you're ready to see where your profit is actually leaking and identify if you are reactive or regulated, I've mapped out a reactive or regulated audit that you can take to confirm your current position. And this will determine where your leaks are and how you can fix them. You can click the link in the description below to get your current stylist architect audit, and you can also join our free community, the Regulated Stylist, which I think will help you out a lot. So thank you for watching. I'm Sylvia. Subscribe below to support my channel so I can provide you with more regulated stylist content to help you grow and start your journey to a regulated business model, which is based on true internal freedom.